Model, 62-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 100PS 300 short wheelbase, low roof front wheel drive needs engine repair MOTED. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 141,949. MOT, the 8th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire, it's down on compression on a cylinder. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.